jungle is deep and alive. It feels calm, mysterious, and full of life. The air moves softly through the trees. The jungle feels alive and breathing. Birds move freely in the trees. Deer walk silently through the grass. Everything feels peaceful and alive. The jungle feels quiet and deep. It hides secrets and stories waiting to be discovered.
This place feels powerful.
It feels alive, full of energy.
We should walk slowly, respect this place.
Yes, every step matters here.
Let's stick together. The jungle is huge.
I love it, Nail. It feels magical. I can hear the birds and insects. It's so calm.
The air is so fresh. It feels like freedom.
Look at all these plants. Everything is green and alive.
This is why we came. Nature heals.
This spot is perfect. Flat ground, shaded, nice view.
Yes! Feels safe and quiet. Perfect for tents.
I can imagine sitting here by the fire later.
Great, let's mark the area.
Respect nature.
I'll take the sleeping bags. I'll handle the tent poles. I'll help Lisa with the tarp.
Thanks, I'm not sure where it goes.
No worries. Together we can do it. Wow, it looks amazing. Our little home for the night.
I feel proud. We did it. Can already imagine sitting by the fire.
Yes, tonight will be unforgettable.
Night slowly comes to the jungle. The light becomes soft. The forest feels calm, quiet, and alive.
Fire makes everything feel warmer.
Yes, magical. Forest sounds at night are amazing.
Frogs and insects. The jungle feels alive.
So peaceful, far from the city. I could sit here forever.
In the city, my mind feels busy.
Yes, there is always noise and stress.
Here, my mind feels slow and calm.
I feel relaxed. I can breathe better.
Nature helps us feel balanced.
I wish we could stay longer.
Even one night feels special.
We will remember this moment.
We should sleep now. Tomorrow we will explore more.
The jungle wakes up early.
Good night, everyone.
They fall asleep slowly. The jungle stays awake and watches.
Morning comes with light and sound. The jungle feels fresh and new.